Gotta stay home. I was too alone. No one to reference.
High as shit. Bird naked cooking. I know some of you motherfuckers can't take cutting up no bodies, so I ain't gonna show you how I'm cutting this motherfucking hair. You might just can't handle it, you little punk ass bitches. But anyway, yeah, split that bitch down the middle, yeah. Said half of it. So we gonna put this right here. No lot nerves. Why we do this shit? That light's a pain in the ass, ain't it? Look over here. My big ass head. Take this motherfucker apart. Yeah. Some of you bitch ass niggas can't take me cutting this motherfucker up. I'ma cut this shit. Yeah. Like a horror show down here to some of you bitch niggas. I know that. And I know you bitch niggas be watching me. Y'all come up in my fucking face, thinking I'm y'all friend or something. Don't come in my motherfucking face. I ain't friendly. Yeah, right now. Don't come swinging in my damn face. You do that. You say hi to me from afar. Shit. Don't fuck with strangers. Mother said don't fuck with strangers. Break this nigga back. Turkey ain't no joke, yo. Cut that nigga. Come like that nigga, like I had to cut that nigga, you know what I mean? Yeah, ain't gonna say too much. Cut that nigga down. Watch your fucking fingers. Hear that? Flesh, baby. Cut that motherfucker. Yeah. Watch your fingers, though. That bitch ain't cracking for shit. Cut your fingers, nigga. Oh, shit. That's how it is, though. You gotta carve a nigga up. It's about the same shit. It's just more body. Shit. Oh, man. Trying to get that late night, you gotta carve a nigga up and shit. I used to hate them fucking nights. Oh, shit. Ass punk ass nook. Owe me that goddamn money. Ah! Bitch ass nook. Ah. There she is, bitch. Yeah. Sexy bitch. Only gonna cook half of this motherfucker. Put it on the skin side. Put the skin side up. Meat down. Already cleaned it. If you're paying attention, follow the white ball, motherfucker. Always keep your hands clean. You don't be fucking. We got COVID, you know what I mean? We don't need no other man-made fucking shit floating around the world. Shit. Real. I'm gonna come back at you though.